Nice to wake up to that. Still at the Laurel Point Inn Waterfront, Victoria. The Laurel Point Inn. It's so weird that they got this laurel squished up in this glass, with a glass against that. Like, I would rip that out, and I'd have palm trees in there, the self-seeded one there. Put some palm trees in this place. It's not one palm tree. There's lots of other cool plants, there's cistus and stuff like that. But why not put palm trees on the waterfront? There's lots of, that's the oak leaf hydrangea. Somebody walking their dog out there. I went out there yesterday, had a nice walk all the way to those hotels over there. Anyway, it's a gorgeous place to stay. Check it out online, Laurel Point Inn Victoria, British Columbia. Provincial capital here, capital of our province. It's a very nice city, way smaller than Vancouver. There's that yacht over there, I was coming.